Hello, blessed people. Hey, how you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today I'm cleaning my kitchen and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. Y'all, I'm cracking up to myself because for some reason today it sounds like a frog hopped in my throat, okay? And it decided it wanted to speak at the end of our tune. It's actually kind of still speaking now, but it don't even matter. You know why? Because if you know, you know, right? Come on, y'all. If you know, you know. Now, if you're new here, you actually wouldn't know, right? Because you don't know me or anything about me. But I happen to love frogs, right? That's the gag, okay? Now you know. But thanks for joining me today. Welcome to my channel. I hope you like what you see and you consider sticking around. I guess by the end of the video, you'll know what this channel is about because sometimes I just get sick and tired of doing all the preliminaries, right? And then sometimes I just get bored with it. So today's one of those days. Guys, I got this little island for Temu, right? Because I have very little counter space in this kitchen and I needed extra space to prep food and things like that. And I love everything about it. It was inexpensive, love the price, looks good, love the visual, and it holds all my little, trinkets and flowers and candles and, little stuff that we do as women that we really don't need to do, but it works for me. I took a Dollar Tree run this morning before I came in this kitchen to work. I'm showing you all my sunflower seeds because me and David, we be best friends, especially at night. But it has to be original, right? I don't sway away from David. The different brands and the different flavors, they just don't hit the same to me. I decided I wanted to try that little $1.50 collagen face mask. Let's see what happens. And y'all know I'm on this lime green kick, so everything is like lime green, even the lighter, right? I had another one, the flexible one, but just because it was green, I had to get it. Now make that make sense. It makes sense to me, so it don't have to make sense to y'all, right? Look at David. That's my boy. And then I needed just a little bit of extra stuff for the bathroom. I decided I wanted to try this new scent, and I love eucalyptics. I know I just probably jacked that up the way that I said it, but y'all get the picture. So I decided I wanted to buy that scent, and they had another candle that is lime green as well, and guess what it is? Come on through, y'all.
I want that. I need that. Need it. I need real ones to stay around. Now who shut me down? Ones who's lost and now they found. Yes, I need that good discernment. Not round with the serpent. Ones who listen for the sermon, yeah. I need a love like this, I need a love like this. Someone who's patient, not who's impatient. And they've been waiting on what you should do. I know that this ain't who you used to be, and I know that this isn't what you need from me. Oh, I want that real love. Yeah, I want that real love. Not that turn back your ear stuff. Lord, what can I do? I get this from you, oh Lord, I want that real love. I heard it enough, but I think I got it now. Can't stay in my feelings, cause they always go in and out. And that's a shame, whenever I fight it. I don't even mean it, I get caught up, but I like it. I've been trying to stay awake, saying admit that you're patient, but you hate to wait. But love is an action, not a feeling thing. I don't want just something that'll fade away. Oh, I want that real love. Yeah, I want that real love. Not that turn back your ear stuff. Lord, what can I do? I get this from you, oh Lord. I want that real love. Yeah, I want that real love. Not that turn back your ear stuff. Lord, what can I do? I get this from you, oh Lord. I want that real love. That real love. I want that, I need just that real love. That real love. That real love. Oh, I want that real love. Yeah, I want that real love. Not that turn back your ear stuff. Lord, what can I do? I get this from you, oh Lord. I want that real love. Yeah, I want that real love. Not that turn back your ear stuff. Lord, what can I do? I get this from you, oh Lord. I want that real love.
Y'all, how about I got a brand new dishwasher in this house and I used it one time since I lived here. Once. I keep telling myself I'm going to use it, but then I never do. And I think it's attributed to the way that I was raised, because we always had to hand wash the dishes, even though there was a extremely functional dishwasher in the home. We just were not allowed to use it. So I've carried that into adulthood. And honestly, I ain't gonna say I carried everything, because y'all see how I got them dishes piled up in there like that. Now, when I get done these dishes, I'm going to let them air dry in that rack. And then I'm going to put them away. The way I was raised, you had to wash, rinse, and then dry immediately after you finished and put them away. So, I'm going to say I took 80% of the childhood training and I left the 20 for the birds.
See the way you love me. See the way you want me. I know your love is true. The way that you feel me, oh God, is all that I need in my heart. Oh, the way you love gives a feeling that I can't explain. Knowing I'm undeserving, you say that I'm still worth it. So I'll lift my hands to you, and I'll lift my voice to you. 'Cause I see the way you love me, see the way you want me. I know your love is true. The way that you feel me, the way that you feel me, oh God, is all that I need in my heart. My thoughts, my heart, my everything, I give it to you, give it to you. 'Cause I can't imagine my life without you. You make me better, you make me better. Oh, and I love it because I see the way you love me, see the way you want me. I know your love is true.
Fun fact, this island, right? Me and my uncle, we put this thing together. And we realized that it was missing a screw when we got to the end. So I said, we got to put this in because it's important, the piece was. And so we were trying to figure out the easiest way to get it in there, not realizing that where it was placed, we had to take the whole thing apart. Talk about on fire, right? Nonetheless, I needed it, so we had to take it apart. But when we took it apart, the wood, this is not wood. This is not real wood. Again, I got it from Temu, right? But it serves its purpose. We drilled a hole too far in, so it damaged the back of it. Hence, the birth of the black and white wallpaper that you see that I added to the back to cover the blemish, right? And then I decided to add my girl with the coffee cup because I'm extra like that. You know, I'm a maximalist, right? I can't just do a little bit. Sometimes I got to do a lot. But when I think back, I'm like, I'm so glad that happened because, you know, it gave it a little pizzazz, a little oomph, a little va-va-va-voom that I probably wouldn't have thought about if that had not have happened. The moral of the story is all things work together for the good of them who love God, to those who are the called according to his purpose. Okay? Romans 8:28. I figure I'd give y'all a little word because it ended up working out for my entire good. Do you hear me? Now, I hope y'all be washing y'all trash cans when they need to be washed. Some of y'all's houses, not yours, right? But some people's houses be stinking, dank. And they be trying to figure out where that odor is coming from. And sometimes it's because that bottom of that trash can is looking and smelling like who done it. Well, guys, we have come to the conclusion of today's video. I thank you all so much for joining me today. I truly do hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy hanging out with me. As always, y'all know I enjoy hanging out with you. I want to say thank you and welcome to my new subscribers. I truly appreciate you becoming a part of the family. We're growing again and we shall bear fruit, and our fruit shall remain. Yes, Lord. Everybody just stop what you're doing and tell God thank you. Thank you. Yes, Lord. God is good. Y'all, I hope you all have a blessed and a prosperous week. Until we meet again. Ciao.